hello, and welcome to This Dot for We Cooking. I'm your host, Shernette, and today I will be cooking steak tacos, street tacos, yay! All right, please like and subscribe down below and share. Again, like and subscribe and share. You need just some steak at my local produce store. I can get my steak that's already chopped, but skirt steak, sirloin, you can chop it up yourself into little pieces, or if you have a processor, you can do that too. All the ingredients will be in the description down below, the measurements and everything. So let's get started. So you're gonna need just some steak, chopped steak, taco meat, garlic powder, chili powder, chipotle, some sea salt, pepper, and onion powder, and 2 packets of your sazon seasoning. Oh, and I forget, and cumin. So let me get my cumin. Where is my cumin? Get that out. Okay, I will get that out and put it in once I start adding my seasonings. But you're gonna get your skillet and put your meat in. Let me just get a little closer, closer and closer. So add your steak. None of my beef. So you want to get your steak and brown it. And this steak will make its own juices and oil. Mixing it. You just hold it up a little more. There you go. So you want to add your seasoning. 2 packs of sazon. And for the toppings, we just do cilantro and onions with corn tortillas. I got my sazon in, and I will put my chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, chipotle, all that's gonna go in, and cumin. So get a little bit of onion powder in there. Garlic powder, some chipotle, just a little bit, chili powder, some pepper, and sea salt, and the cumin. So I'm gonna get my cumin out. And I'm going to add some cumin to it. A little salt, just a little bit. Quick and easy street steak tacos. You want to get all that seasoning mixed in. See, it's starting to brown up. Okay. I'm going to let this cook, and I will be back. Okay, we are back. So now it took approximately 15 minutes. This is 1.5 pounds of taco steak meat. So I added all my ingredients and browned it up. And now we are making tortillas. I have some on the grill. So you're just gonna get you some masa. Remember the masa from the panatis? You can either get the dry masa or you can get the masa that's already prepared. And you're just gonna roll them into balls like I did with the panatis. And then you smash it down with your tortilla press. And then you put them on the grill. So I will finish that and be back. Okay, so I have some balls here. I rolled some balls that I'm gonna put on the tortilla press. In most local Mexican stores, Hispanic stores, you can find masa already prepared. Like I said, if you can't find it, you can always find it in the aisles next to the cornmeal and flour. So you're going to take your one off here and just lay it down on your griddle. See, these are done. And then you just move on to the next one. So I'll do one more and then I will show you the toppings, the onions and the cilantro, how I'm going to cut it up. I mix my onion and cilantro together so we can just take some out. And if you don't have a corn press, tortilla press, you can always use a can, or if you have a roller, you can use a roller too. Okay. And you just let those cook for a few minutes. I got me some now that I need to cover to keep them warm. So I'll cover them with a towel. And this is the gorgeous taco meat, street steak tacos. So I will be back. Alrighty. So now I'm just gonna cut up my onions to go. That's gonna go on my tacos, and I'm just checking out my taco tortillas. I'm just taking my tortillas off the griddle. And adding some more. And it takes no time to do your tortillas. No time at all. And they're fresh. So, you know, like you don't know how long tortillas been sitting on the shelves. You can make your own. So I am going to cut up my onions. Get that out the way. And then I add my cilantro, cut that up. And just cut them up in small pieces. And then you cut up a few limes that you can squeeze on your taco. You can go ahead. I'll show you guys in another video how to make some fresh guacamole. Maybe we'll have that next time with the tacos. So I have my onions. Now I'm going to do my cilantro. I wash my cilantro. Just going to do some rough cutting with the cilantro. Let me just take off my other tortilla that are ready to come off. And just keep them warm under a towel, or if you have a tortilla holder, tortilla warmer, you can do that. Just put my last tortilla on. so fast and simple, easy steak tacos, corn tortillas. So now I'm just gonna do some rough cutting with my cilantro. And I am the type that likes a lot of cilantro on my tacos. Okay, so we're gonna put that in there. These tacos are done. Just taking off my last tortillas. Just cut up a little bit more cilantro. And you don't have to like take one cilantro at a time and take the leaf off. Just pull them together and chop. You can eat the stem, it's plenty flavor in that. Okay. Babe, can you hand me a lime? So you just take it, and that's a lemon. See, my husband ain't paying attention. He ain't listening to me. He's gonna go give me a lemon. See, I like to mix it up together, and then I can just sprinkle, get some and sprinkle on the taco and eat. And then I'm just gonna cut up my lime, take my last tortilla off, call my family to come and get it. Get it while it's hot. Let me just, and I'm hot. Let me wipe myself down. Okay. So we have that done. And so you have plenty to make you some panatis, some salbutas, all of the good stuff. And then just get you a lime. Cut you up lime. So you have your lime and your cilantro and onions. And now I am going to get ready and plate it. This gorgeous, gorgeous food. Quick and easy, nice and simple. And this tortilla is done. Voila. Now take one that's not so hot, so hot. Put me one down there. Cover that up. Okay, I'm gonna take a little taco meat. Put you some taco meat on. Squeeze a little lime. A little lime on it. Put a little onions and cilantro. And you have your street taco. Look at that. Looks good, doesn't it? Let's give it a taste. Okay, and we're back. Look at these tacos. They look so delicious. Let's give it a taste. Mmm. That's good. So, you have your quick, fast, easy steak street tacos with fresh made tortillas, fresh onions and cilantro, and some lime. So good. So good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget the descriptions. In the description box, you will find the ingredients, the measurements, and everything. And if you don't want to make fresh tortillas, you can always buy the store-bought, but it's nothing like fresh. Bon appetit.